Hey, it's Terrance Hill, a real estate consultant, coming to you today from East Tennessee. So before we talk about the beautiful home behind me, I want to just kind of state some quick facts about East and also give you some statistics on the data for the specific area. Now, East has low taxes, first and foremost, that allows for you to have ownership and not have to pay those consistently increasing taxes, high taxes on your home. And you far enough away from the city to be able to have nice privacy and be in a quiet space, but close enough to be able to get back to the city in terms of shopping, entertainment, and doing the things that you would like to do. Now, also, the lot that we're on today has about an acre of land that this particular house sits on. So in 2022, from a statistical perspective, there's been 22 homes in East put on the market. Of those homes, 6 are under contract, 4 active listings right now, and everything else is already sold. Of the 4 active listings, the average sale price is over $600,000. The average days on market for 2022 in East is 17 days. Now, specifically getting more into the home behind me, we have a modern farm style home that is brand new, 2022 built, open spacious floor plan, and 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, all downstairs, and you have 1,700 square feet in this particular home. Upstairs, you have the ability to have a build-out 4th bedroom. The stairs are already there, custom, looks amazing. So you have the ability to, if you need a bonus room, you wanted a man cave, a woman, beauty, galore area. I don't really know, but you have space to do something else upstairs if you so choose to. Now, let's talk about this spacious primary bedroom. It has 10-foot ceilings, ceiling fans, of course, and an ensuite for his and her sinks, and it also has a shower tub combo. Now, the master closet is to die for. It has galore space for his and hers. Of course, the man is likely to get a small amount of space and the woman gets 75% of the space, but hey, that's on you how you want to handle that part of it, but we have it available for you in this particular home. Now, we're bringing this home to the market at $316,000. You have, again, average size bedrooms, and you have 2 separate areas where you can have the mud areas for the children. You got one by the front door and you have another one by the back door. So when the children come in from the backyard, take them shoes off, put them right down in the little cubby, you're able to hang the coats, backpacks, everything is centrally located. And you also have a separate laundry room and a pantry area in the kitchen. The kitchen has granite countertops. You have everything's brand new, as I mentioned before. So the cabinetry, the plumbing, the electrical, everything is on point. The only thing that we're waiting on now is the side to be delivered is on back order, but it'll soon be here. And with that being said, we'll go inside and take a look. Thank you for taking the time to sit back and watch this clip. Terrance Hill, the real estate consultant.